need to be flexible in your tech stack. So, that environment makes you have to make more frequent changes in your technology. And, you go back to the legacy systems, it can take 6 months, 8 months, 12 months, right, to make those changes. And within that time frame, maybe 2 or 3 things have changed in the interim that's going to require more change. So we love solutions like Automation Anywhere because of the speed and the adaptability to be able to get it working and up with our other existing technology solutions. So the flexibility that a solution like Automation Anywhere gives us to be able to respond to those needs quickly and then adjust as the environment around us change has been, a game changer for us at Highmark Health and through Lumevity.
Thank you for visiting the Automation Anywhere YouTube channel. Hit that subscribe button and learn how to build your own digital workforce with our automation success platform. Get your free demo today at automationanywhere.com.